Did you know that most American adults can't answer basic questions about finance? Now, think about your children. Are they prepared for the financial future that awaits them? Without a solid financial education from childhood, they run the risk of repeating the same mistakes. What if I told you that you can change that with a few simple, practical lessons? Instead of waiting for school to do the work, you can turn every everyday moment into a learning opportunity. The next time you go to the grocery store, turn the shopping list into a hands-on lesson in budgeting and smart choices. Or rather, how about using fun games and activities to teach complex financial concepts in a simple and engaging way? Your kids can learn about saving, spending, and even investing while having fun. Real stories of young people who started learning about money at an early age and are now examples of financial success prove that this is possible. A young woman paid for her college with no debt. A teenager launched his own company at the age of 16. These examples show that early financial literacy isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. And you, as a parent, have the power to provide that. Ready to find out how to transform your children's financial future? Let's dive into these stories and strategies that can make all the difference. 1. Why financial education is crucial from childhood. Imagine your child growing up to be a financially responsible adult who is able to make smart decisions about money. Many parents underestimate the importance of teaching finance at an early age, but it can positively shape a child's financial future. Studies show that children who learn about money at an early age tend to be adults who are more aware and prepared for life's economic challenges. Childhood is the ideal time to introduce basic financial concepts. That's because children are at a stage of cognitive development where they learn quickly through examples and experiences. When we introduce financial education in a playful and practical way, we are planting the seeds for healthy financial habits that will grow throughout life. Teaching concepts such as saving, responsible spending, and the value of money can have a lasting and positive impact. Additionally, a lack of financial education can lead to serious problems down the road. Young adults often face student debt, poorly managed credit, and a lack of savings. By equipping your children with financial knowledge from an early age, you are not only preparing them to avoid these problems, but also providing them with a strong foundation to achieve their financial goals and thrive in an increasingly complex and challenging world. 2. Practical methods for introducing simple financial concepts. Have you ever wondered how to turn complex concepts into simple lessons for your kids? The key lies in incorporating financial education into daily activities in a natural and accessible way. For example, a trip to the grocery store can turn into a hands-on lesson in budgeting and smart consumption choices. By allowing your children to help make a shopping list and compare prices, you teach valuable lessons about money management and planning. Another effective strategy is to use allowances as a teaching tool. Giving a small amount of money on a regular basis and helping your children decide how to spend, save, or donate provides a hands-on financial management experience. You can introduce concepts such as the 3-pot rule: 1 pot for spending, 1 for saving, and 1 for giving. This helps children understand the importance of balancing their finances from an early age. Additionally, involving your children in conversations about money and family budgeting can be extremely beneficial. Explain how bills work, the importance of paying expenses on time, and how to plan for major purchases or emergencies. These discussions not only educate but also demystify money, making it a less scary topic and more accessible for your children. By doing so, you are empowering them to make informed and responsible financial choices. 3. Using games and activities to make learning fun. Who says learning about money has to be boring? Incorporating games and playful activities can turn financial literacy into a fun and memorable experience. Board games like Monopoly or Game of Life can teach you concepts of economics, investing, and financial planning in an engaging way. These games not only entertain but also introduce your children to the world of finance in a practical and interactive way. In addition to board games, there are numerous online resources and educational apps that make financial learning accessible and fun. Apps like PiggyBot and Saving Spree are designed specifically for kids, teaching them about saving, spending, and investing through challenges and goals. These digital tools capture children's attention and make learning continuous and dynamic, encouraging curiosity and engagement. Manual activities can also be powerful teaching tools. Creating a personalized piggy bank, drawing a savings chart, or even hosting a garage sale are all practical and creative ways to teach about money. Not only do these activities keep children engaged, but they also provide a tangible understanding of financial concepts, helping to internalize important lessons in a lasting way. 4. Life lessons. Inspiring stories of financially wise young people. Nothing is more powerful than a good story. Meet young people who started learning about money at an early age and are now examples of financial success. Their inspiring stories show that financial education can make all the difference. For example, a young woman who started saving her allowance at the age of 7 and at 18 was able to pay for her college debt-free highlights the transformative impact of early financial education. Another inspiring example is that of a teenager who, at the age of 16, launched his own small business with the savings accumulated over the years. Not only did this young entrepreneur learn the importance of savings, but he also developed valuable financial management and planning skills. Their achievements illustrate how financial principles taught in childhood can open doors and create meaningful opportunities in the future. Stories like these not only inspire, but also provide role models for other children and teens to follow. By sharing these stories with your children, you not only motivate, but also offer a concrete insight into how financial literacy can shape success and financial independence. These narratives underscore the importance of starting early and show that with knowledge and determination, any child can achieve great financial feats. 5. Challenges and solutions. Overcoming barriers in children's financial education. Teaching finance to children may seem like a challenging task, but it doesn't have to be that way. Many parents feel unprepared to broach the subject, but the key is to start with small, consistent steps. Initially, it can be intimidating to talk about money, especially if you haven't had a robust financial education. However, remember that every small step counts and can make a big difference in the long run. One of the most common barriers is the parent's lack of financial knowledge. If this is your case, don't worry. There are many resources available, such as books, online courses, and workshops that can help improve your own financial skills. By enhancing your knowledge, you will feel more confident to pass on these teachings to your children, creating an environment of mutual learning and growth. Another challenge is the resistance of the children themselves, who may find the subject boring or irrelevant. To overcome this, it is essential to make learning engaging and relevant to their lives. Use practical examples and day-to-day situations to illustrate financial concepts. Show them how money management can impact their wants and needs, such as buying a new toy or saving up for a big adventure. By doing so, you'll turn financial education into something tangible and interesting, encouraging a positive attitude towards money. The journey to teaching your children financial literacy doesn't end here. Think about how many times you can turn simple moments into valuable lessons. Every purchase, every piggy bank filled, every board game is an opportunity to shape a safer, more prosperous future. And if every child learned to manage their money at an early age, what would the world look like 20 years from now? Inspiring stories and practical methods are just the beginning. The real change happens when these lessons become daily habits. What's next to transform your child's financial future? How about starting today by introducing a fun new activity or financial challenge? Small actions can generate big results, and every step counts. Now think about the barriers you face when teaching your children finances. What are your biggest difficulties? And what solutions are you willing to try? Financial education is an ongoing journey, and every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow together. Let's continue that conversation in the next few videos and discover more ways to ensure a bright future for your children.